Expandable pot racks are a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. There are many products available to choose expandable pot racks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best expandable pot racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Utopia Stormore Expandable Cookware Rack. The Utopia Stormore Expandable Cookware Rack is a versatile pan organizer designed to fit large pans, platters, and lids. With 10 adjustable dividers, it can expand from 12 to 22 inches to fit any cabinet. The sturdy base keeps round lids and pans from rolling, while non-slip feet keep the rack securely in place. This 1-minute setup rack requires no tools or installation. Additional dividers are also available for purchase. Number 2. AHNR Expandable Pot and Pan Organizers Rack. The AHNR Expandable Pot and Pan Organizer Rack is a space-saving solution for decluttering your kitchen. The rack is made of heavy-duty iron with a rust-proof black coating and can hold up to 10 pans or pots. The 10 adjustable compartments can fit any size pan, while the rack itself can expand up to 22.25 inches. The rack can also be used as 2 separate organizers for added convenience. This rack is perfect for smaller or busy kitchens and can be used on countertops, in cupboards, or under the sink. Number 3. Ruhua Pot Rack Expandable Pan Organizer. Ruhua Pot Rack Organizer is a durable and expandable pot and pan organizer for kitchen cabinet. It is made of heavy iron with rubber coating to prevent deformation and rust. With 10 adjustable compartments, it can store pots and pans of all sizes. The U-shaped groove design provides firm support for pot lids. There are 2 DIY installation methods, and it is easy to install without tools. This pot rack organizer also comes with 8 silicone pads to protect countertops from scratches. Number 4. XGOS Rack 15 Adjustable Dividers Pot and Pan Organizer Rack. The XGOS Rack Organizer Rack is designed to keep your kitchen clutter-free. Its expandable feature allows you to adjust the size from 16 to 32 inches, making it versatile for different spaces. With 15 adjustable dividers, 8 deep and 7 shallow, you can easily customize the layout to fit various pot and pan sizes. Made from sturdy carbon steel, it can hold up to 22 pounds while protecting your cookware from scratches. The anti-slip silicone foot pads ensure stability on your countertop, making this rack a practical addition to any kitchen setup. Number 5. Mudila Expandable Pots and Pans Organizer Rack Under Cabinet. The Mudila Pot Organizer is designed to enhance your kitchen's storage efficiency. Its robust structure securely holds your heavy cookware, preventing any dividers from popping out. You can customize it to fit your space, expanding from 12 to 23 inches, making it perfect for both lids and pots. The thoughtful anti-scratch strips protect your cookware from damage, while the anti-slip rubber tubing ensures everything stays in place. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking just a minute, allowing you to declutter your kitchen effortlessly.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.